guys, please make me a famous content creator, guys, so I wouldn't feel embarrassed about filming in public. Because like, I'm doing this much, okay? I deserve to be a famous content creator. Just kidding. I will be. One day, I will be. One day, guys, just wait. Whatever. Hi besties and welcome back. It's currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon and I woke up at 9:30 and since then I've literally been editing my video. It should be up by now because I uploaded it today only, and today is a Saturday, so yeah. And since the past few weeks, months, days, I feel all over the place, like nothing is going my way. I mean, you know what I mean, like I am not in my routine, like I never was, but yeah, I am not following any specific routine. I am not on track, my habits are not on track, I haven't achieved any goal of mine. And it's November, it's mid-November actually, and like the new year is around the corner. It's autumn, it's winter, and I don't know what to do. I just like feel so weird about it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a break, I'm gonna pause, and I am gonna go to a really nice cafe nearby, and I'm gonna sit there, I'm gonna do my assignments, I'm gonna plan every single thing, I'm gonna write it down, I'm gonna make a really nice plan for like upcoming month of December, and I really want to get into track. So that's what we're gonna do. So today's vibe is casual chic, and I have some outfit options, so I'll just show it to y'all. So guys, let me just show you what all outfit options I have. So first things first, these maroon pants, and on top of that this basic plain white t-shirt. It's really so chic. I love the color combo, honestly, like it's so cute. It's just like nude shade. I don't think it's going with the look. Never mind, I'm just gonna apply a brown lip liner. Brown lip liner. And to top it off, I'm gonna use this lip balm. Guys, I'm here, and it took me so much of time to like find the cafe, but it was literally on the main road. Okay, again I'm kind of late because my mom is gonna be home soon and I really want to meet her. Also, I have dust pollution, so I had my mask on, but I'm gonna remove it because I am very close to the cafe. I'm just walking because there is no space to like park vehicle. मैंने इतनी दूर लगाई ना मेरी गाड़ी. I regret it, but anyway, like walking is really nice for you guys. So walk. So hi guys, and I'm at the cafe called Book Bar, and I've ordered blue peach strawberry matcha latte, and it is quite nice. I really like the vibe overall. Like, the cafe is really pretty, not gonna lie. And I think I'm on a lucky girl syndrome because firstly when I came it was very full, and I wanted to see it here, like right where I'm sitting, so I can, like, sit on the high chair and do my work peacefully in the corner. But this place was taken, so I was like, damn, okay, it's fine. But yeah, in the end I got it, so I'm really happy. And I also like the drink. It's not bad, it's quite good. I would rate it 7 on 10, honestly. It's better than the like green grassed matcha like I've had. So yeah, I like it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go and do my work. Guys, I didn't walk much, but I think it's okay because I am tired. And currently it's 5 and I'm gonna leave and go shop for some things. Hi besties, and I'm out of the cafe now, and I am just gonna go and roam around for a bit because I am very suffocated, and that drink was like too sweet later on, but it's okay. And I didn't even work that much, so it was kind of a fail, you could say, but I'm trying, okay. So yeah, and I also didn't even take a single fit check in that cafe. Like, what the so I'll try to take right now, so let's go. Also, I wanted to buy gold hoops from FC Road, so we're gonna do that as well. And this is my first time vlogging in public and like talking, so I hope no one is like scared of me or something. I mean, I am pretty confident today because I feel pretty. I feel like I am the best, and I think nobody knows how many followers I have. So like, who the fuck cares? Like, right? So yeah, I'll just show you guys my fit. So this is my fit. I love it so much. Okay, so yeah, this is my fit. Finally. Also, I love this huge bag. It fits so many things. I love it. But I still want a bigger one. So yeah, there we go. I don't know why people are like this. No one is like gonna remember me anyway. So I'm just like talking and doing shit on the road. And I think Pune people are quite like familiar with the content creation era. So yeah. Also guys, I used to go to Ferguson College and I don't think anyone would ever believe that because of the way I am filming myself. It looks like I'm some tourist and that's the goal always. So yeah, I love solo outings. Right now I'm just gonna go and get my scooter and then I'll go buy myself gold hoops. I'll try thrifting a bit and then I'll go home around 6 hopefully. And hopefully this audio is getting all recorded because I would cry if this is not working. Because I'm literally risking everything to record this. Right. Like people will be like, what the fuck is this girl doing? But they don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I know ball. Okay guys. I'm literally pretending that like I'm walking on the streets of New York because that's the goal. Guys, please make me a famous content creator, guys, so I wouldn't feel embarrassed about filming in public. Because like I'm doing this much, okay, I deserve to be a famous content creator. Just kidding. I will be. One day I will be. One day guys, just wait. Whatever. So guys, I did everything I would wanna do on a date. Like on the actual teenagers gala date. You know, like going out, eating momos, my favorite food. And I'm gonna promise myself and I'm gonna film it. And that's why I'm filming right now. I am promising myself not to eat outside food from the upcoming week. I mean, not week. Not week, but yeah. Upcoming days. Also, I think that he will be cutting out sugar, like chai, coffee, like not gonna have it, not gonna consume it. and I've spent so much of money today for my good, for my own happiness, and I'm really happy. Also, I thrifted, but I wanted gold hoops, which I didn't get. But it's fine. I'll just search for them on some site like Savannah or Meesho. I'll probably get it there. I hope I'll get that. And yeah, so that was it for my today's outside part wala date. Now I'm going home, and ghar jaake I am literally gonna hide this from my mom, and I am gonna have dinner. I'm gonna complete my assignment. I'm not really proud of that moment that I didn't complete my assignment, but it's okay. That's why मुझे ऐसा वो happiness नहीं आ रहा right now. I'm not getting that dopamine hit because I didn't complete my assignment, but I will complete it today. So today's goal is to complete that assignment, complete one doll, and yeah, today I'm gonna have a really nice slow self-care night, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'll meet you guys